Have you ever tried watching a video in a noisy place, or maybe you or someone you love needs captions to follow audio? In today's video, we'll demonstrate how to use Android's live caption, with further customization coming later to improve accessibility. Let's start by making sure the live caption button is in our panel. So we're going to start by swiping down from the top of the display once, and then we're going to look for the pencil icon in the top right hand corner and tap on it. Now this changes the panels to an edit mode. You can also rearrange these panels to improve your accessibility, so adjust them to fit your needs. We'll then look for the panel with the most quick settings and tap edit, this one right here. Now you can see that I already have the live caption button added here, but if we hadn't added it yet, it would be in the available buttons. So we can pick an available button from the bottom just to demonstrate how this would work. So let's go with micro gesture, tap that. You'll see that it will be added to the buttons now. And if we want to remove it, we can just tap on the icon again, and that will take it away from the available buttons. Now, most importantly, when you're done making changes, tap done in the top right hand corner once, and then tap it again twice. And depending on your navigation style, you can tap the back arrow just to get out of the quick panels there. And now you are ready to use live caption. So start by opening either a video or podcast or voice message. I'm going to go with YouTube. And I'm going to pick one of my videos here, and we're going to wait to actually play the video. We want to turn on the live caption feature first. So swipe down and then tap on the live caption feature, and captions will appear when speech is detected. So let's give it a try. And here we have the live caption displaying over the video. You can also drag this around if it's covering too much of the video. Say you want to see the video as well as the live caption. And that's all you need to get started with live caption on Android. It's a simple feature, but it can make a huge difference. Whether you're in a loud environment, keeping things quiet, or supporting someone who relies on captions to follow along. If this helped you, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more accessibility focused guides, and stick around because in an upcoming video, we'll dive deeper into customizing live caption. As you see here, you can change the color of the text, the background, those kind of things, so you can tailor it to your needs or help someone else do the same. As always, thanks for watching, and may the universe flow in your favor. And until next time, Leon checking out.